Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Classic Paring Knife. Okay, what we have here is the sheepsfoot version. It has a 3¼ inch cutting edge, or approximately 83 millimeters. The weight of the knife is 0.8 ounces, which is 21 grams. It has a polypropylene handle, in this case red. They make the handles in different colors. Let me bring in a lighter so you can see what the size of the handle is. So we have a relatively small handle. When I first got the knife, I was kind of turned off by how small the handle was, but after a while I got used to it. And now it doesn't bother me at all. So this is the sheepsfoot version of the blade. They make a number of different blade shapes. I really like this blade shape because it works great for cutting on a cutting board. If you drag the tip across the cutting board, let me bring this in to demonstrate. So if you're cutting some kind of vegetable, if you drag the tip across the cutting board, you get a really positive cut with it. And another reason that I like the sheepsfoot version is that it's very easy to sharpen because it only has a very slight curve upwards, so it's just easier to sharpen on a stone. Okay, let me bring in a Victorinox Fibrox 8-inch chef's knife so compare the size against it. So you can see the paring knife is absolutely dwarfed in size by the 8-inch chef's knife. Also, the blade stock thickness, you can see the blade stock on the paring knife is very thin compared to the chef's knife. So it really slices through vegetables or whatever very easily. So it makes a great paring knife in the kitchen, or a utility knife in your garage, or if you're going camping, it makes a great knife because of its super lightweight, weighing less than 1 ounce. Also, another nice thing about this knife is the price. It's available for less than $10. I would say between $5 and $10. So it's not much money at all. The steel is it's not a super steel or anything, but they come very sharp from Victorinox. Victorinox is very good about the quality control, and it sharpens up very easily because it's not a super hard steel. So I think that about wraps it up. So if you're looking for a great paring knife for the kitchen, I can wholeheartedly recommend the Victorinox Classic knives. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.